you have to like do the front. Like, just open it up and then really just reaching, stretching that neck out. You can't do that on the other side. Like,
and you're the only one that lets me do like any type of chest work. And I know it's kind of
really
crazy.
mine kind of chest, so it doesn't matter.
Well, no, you do. No, trust me. No, stop playing. Yes, you do. Like people on YouTube are so dirty and wrong. If you give them what they want, like they'll run it. Like, oh, it's a porno channel now. Dude, all you want to do is rub it. Like that's why I don't have me rubbing people because I just don't need to.
I
don't want to be right. I'm like, literally, you're the only that has shown breast work pretty much, or any type of pec work, I should say. No one else. I haven't even done it on a guy. I just don't want the problems.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
I really, really don't. But it'd be good for them to see, like, hey, this is what other therapists do. This is, even I get stuff.
Well, my personal trainer guy friend, he was like, he like even up into this portion here, he's the bodybuilder, like literally every muscle in him needs to be massaged, especially his pecs. So I can't like. It's hard to cover the nipple getting all this work done, but like he really needs it because he's like stacked. I just be like, bro, I don't get it. Like, just a block of muscle. Kill myself trying. We're gonna have to do front and back on separate days. No, he doesn't. He's definitely I feel like he works out every muscle. I feel like he probably works out his eyelashes, his eyelids too. Every muscle. That's what it probably is. You hear me? I was like, I didn't think this was possible, bro. You work on people
out there, you're right. They will work on it. I'm like, good God, what muscle
he
is
that? He used to bodybuild though.
Right.
But he like did competition and stuff, so I guess. But like,
yeah.
literally, it's like very few people that I feel like, oh my God, you use every muscle in this body, don't you? You work out every muscle.
Because I look at some people's anatomy, I'm like, what muscle is? I know anatomy, but this doesn't pop out like this.
I
like,
know.
What muscle
yes,
is
right.
that? Like, this makes no sense. Like,
working on him was I need to practice more. It's like a whole new ball game. It's a whole new thing.
Yeah, but no, that the 2000, it's easily they can amend anything. You know, I've learned from this administration that they can do whatever the fuck they want when you're president. You know what I mean? Some people will say, "Oh, president had no powers." I'm like, bullshit. As you've seen with this motherfucker, as long as you got backing of their other cronies, you got ultimate power. You can do whatever you want. You can just make laws and sign shit and do shit. My God, you can kill people and get away with it. And put people in cages and allow a nasty virus to spread beyond belief to the whole world and not be held accountable for it. Now, if that was anybody else, come on.
I mean, that was too much.
Team when they take over. They could introduce a $4,000 stimulus check to people, which we're actually due because if you look at Canada and other countries, UK, Canada, Spain, Italy, their COVID response team, they literally just started giving them like a month, not even a month after, I think it was 3 weeks, they were issuing $2,000 checks to everybody. Weekly.
They also have healthcare too.
Right. Weekly. Like Canada, yes, definitely. I'm like, wait a minute. We're right below them. How can they push this? They don't make nowhere near the dollars that we make. You know, they make money. Don't be wrong. They're billions and trillions of dollars, but everybody depends on us. And so they like Switzerland, Norway, Germany. I used to know all of them. Definitely Geneva. It's Geneva, the country. I think it might be Austria. Anyway, they all have universal health care, plus they give everybody like $2,000 or more. Some countries have more money. China does the same thing. They have billion people. Like, I don't understand. Like, why are we? Because you don't hear nobody in Canada complaining. Like, not one.
Right. I mean, can they really complain? No. First of all, they couldn't complain because at least they have healthcare.
Yeah.
But now with the money, shoot.
Yeah. And I thought they got a good prime minister. Trudeau's damn good. For the peeps.
True, yeah. It's young, though, by himself.
See, that's what everybody says. I'm like, look,
I mean, I'm big fine. He's not ugly. So.
Right.
He's probably fine.
Because him and Barack was like, they were like, like duo. I think most people were talking about how they were. I'm like, okay. We finally got lookers in the White House.
Obama is. I can't talk about this man because he's married, so I ain't going to. I ain't gonna do it. But Lord have mercy, we can duplicate him just a little bit.
Calms people down. It pays to have good people in the White House, or as leaders. Period. It doesn't matter.
Thank you, man.
I appreciate you. Wonderful. Because I look at the UK like Harry.
I'm gonna give you another massage next time too, just because we gotta make up for all of them.
Yeah.